Preparations for the trans-annual Sulong Ariba and Baccalaureate Mass halted after a fire broke out at the St. Thomas Building around 2 p.m. today. The Department of Student Affairs shares details regarding the ongoing investigation with the Bureau of Fire Protection, stating an estimate of 12 trucks with firefighters responded to the scene, while a few staff were affected by the incident.
Okay sir, so ano pong pangalan po nila?
My name is Tommy De Leon from Department of Student Affairs Athletics Office.
And sir, ano po yung naging fire incident po kanina?
At around 2:05 p.m. kanina, nagkaroon tayo ng fire incident at the St. Thomas Building, second floor in front of Athletics Office. Ang alarm niya is positive alarm.
Yung ano niya, yung syempre, kanina po kasi sa mga post na kumakalat na video is may na-trap. So, ano po yun? Na-trap po ba talaga siya? Or nakalabas naman siya? Or are there any casualties?
Nagkaroon tayo ng isang employee na hindi agad nakalabas sa office. Eventually, nailigtas naman siya ng ating mga personnel from Auxiliary Services Department. Nabuksan yung window grill at nailabas naman yung employee natin ng safe.
And itong si employee naman na kulot sir, okay naman po siya stable?
Yes, apparently okay naman siya. Nakita kami kanina. Magkaroon lang tayo kanina ng isang janitress na which is tinulungan niya makalabas yung mga students sa third floor. Na medyo nahilo lang siya dahil sa smoke inhalation.
So, as of now po sir, kamusta po yung naging investigation natin sa naging fire?
Kung sa cause ng fire, wala pang nilalabas ang ating Bureau of Fire. Pero isa sa mga tinitingnan nila is electrical wiring. Sa ngayon, sarado pa ang part ng St. Thomas Building na yon, naka-cordon siya. So, hindi muna pwedeng gamitin. Pero overall, safe naman ang St. Thomas.
Ano yun sir, magkakaroon po ba ng definite time na hindi na pwede pumasok sa St. Thomas Hall or sa St. Thomas Building or?
Diyan na nga antayin natin kung ano magiging decision ng ating mga kinauukulan.
So, Ms. Tati, ano po yung naging cause ng fire?
Okay, so currently the fire is still under investigation kung ano yung naging cause. Pero ang pinagmulan ng sunog is sa mezzanine in an multipurpose room. So wala pong nag-o-office doon, wala rin nagkaklase doon. So ang initial na assessment, although we are still waiting for the final report, is baka electrical ang naging cause.
Wala naman po naging reported casualty or any?
Wala. In fact, yun yung una natin naging priority, to make sure na lahat ng occupants sa building ng St. Thomas, St. Albert, Vincent Ferrer, Peñaflor, Dominic, Aranzazu Building, Admin Building secured. Kaya minabuti naming palabasin na lahat para easy access yung ating mga bumbero. There are about 12 fire trucks na nagresponde sa atin.